How to apply for jobs on Indeed. If you'd like to apply for jobs on Indeed, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. First, you launch the Indeed Jobs application right here, and you want to make sure to log into your account. It'll ask you to select where we are located, so of course we can go ahead and then just select wherever you're actually located right there and tap on the continue button. You can select a minimum base pay, and you can now go ahead and then type in the type of jobs that you're looking for. So once you've done that, you just tap the continue button and it will save the preferences for us. On the home page also, you'll find the option called find jobs, so you can just type in what kind of jobs you want and you will see all the jobs that are available according to your whatever you've typed in the preferences and the city that you're in. So let's say you want to apply for a certain job, you can see all the insights or anything that is required for that job. You can tap the apply now button. It will take you to another website. Now it might also take you to some external website. Then once done, you'll be able to apply for that job by tapping on the see available jobs option right there. That way you'll be able to apply for your Indeed jobs. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.